Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to see the duties or the routine tasks of an accounts payable specialist. I will share with you each and every duty which he is doing on his job in whole day. So we will first start with the first thing which an accounts payable professional is doing, checking his emails. He has to check his emails and he has to reply according to the priority of that case. Suppose he is getting an email which needs an urgent reply, he will reply immediately. Those emails which doesn't need an urgent reply, he will delay them according to the information. So this is the first task he is doing whenever he is entering into the office and starting his PC. The second thing, he has to pay a petty cash. The petty cash, the person who is buying goods on cash basis from the market, he has to pay him the cash. So he has to pay him cash according to the requirement or the approval of the management that this much cash will be needed to purchase these types of things or the list of things which he will be having. So he has to disperse cash to the guy who is purchasing on cash from the market. The next thing, he has to record the invoices. The invoices which he is receiving from the clients with whom we are working, so he will record those invoices in their system. All the pending invoices he has to enter into the system. The next thing, checking payment schedule. He has to check the payment schedule, that when we need to make payment to our clients. What is the date or the time, and what are the invoices we need to pay to our client? What are the due invoices and what are the not due invoices? So what is the payment schedule? This is the payment schedule. Suppose like it is having the PO date, PO number, supplier names, amount, due date, paid balance and the remaining balance and the due balance. So this is the payment schedule which he will check, and he will prepare a report that these clients are overdue, okay, and we need to make payment to them. So that report will be presented to the management for approval, and after that he will hand over this report or the approved document to the payment person who will process the payment. After that, getting an account statement. Getting an account statement, whenever an accounts payable professional will see that this customer having a due payment, so he will ask him to send us our account statement in their company accounting system, our general ledger account statement. So we will tally with the balance. Either the invoice amount are same or not, so we will reconcile. So the accounts payable professional will reconcile the balance according to the statement he will get from the client. After that, there will be lunch time, and 1 hour will be the lunch time, and after that, payments preparation along with manager's approval. After reconciliation, he has to prepare a document with the list of all the clients, that these are the clients which we need to pay them. They are eligible to get the payment. So he will prepare a document, and after that, getting the approval from the management, he will send the payment instruction to the guy who is responsible to process the payments. In accounts department, there are different people are sitting out there. Some are doing the payments, some are doing the reconciliation, some are getting the credit facility forms. So different responsibilities with the different guys. So sending payments instruction to the guy who is processing the payment, so he will start paying them either by check, either by online transaction to their bank account. After that, when the payment is done, so the accounts payable professional or the executive, he will update the client ledger after payment. So whatever the payment will be made, he has to update in the system. After that, new clients, engagement and document arrangements. Whenever we need to get a credit purchase, we are submitting some documents. We are submitting our legal documents to get the credit. We need to submit our financial statements to get the credit from the client. And we need to fill the information like credit facility form so that we can get credit from the client according to their requirement. They will see our company's worth and the company state that where we are standing, either if we will bankrupt or we will dissolve, either we will be able to pay their debt or not. They will check our assets, liabilities, working capital. So these are the main things they will check, and they will facilitate us a credit. After that, preparing credit agreements. There will be an agreement between both the parties when we are going to get the credit. So these will be the terms of payments, these will be the conditions, goods returns, what are the terms for the goods return, what are the terms with the, like if there is an advance payment, if there is a partial delivery. So these are all the terms of payments on the credit facility form. Who will be signed the purchase order, and who is going to pay us, the accounting department, the accountant, who will be the responsible, his mobile numbers, their contact details. We need to put everything in our agreement, so our client will not face any problem whenever he has to contact with us. After that, reporting to the departmental head. Accounts payable department will be having a head. So accounts payable executive, he has to report to him that this much payments we have done to these clients, and these are the remaining payments which we need to do further. So he has to discuss with the accounts payable department head, and he has to present the report, daily report. After that, accounts payable department is doing payments of payrolls in at the end of the month. It is not a daily task, it is one time at the end of the month. So paying the salaries to the office workers also. So this is all the duties which I have explained you guys here. I hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel. It keeps motivating me to create more videos for you. Thank you very much, and goodbye.